Like, this is how you lose your weight so fast. This is so cleansing, detoxifying, fat burning, and very, very good for your health. So, in order to come up with this fat burner, refreshing juice, the first ingredient you will need is cucumber. So, what you want to do is to get your cucumber. You can use it with the bag, but I'm getting the juice, so however I don't need it, so I peel it off, and so you want to get one cucumber, peel, or you can use it whole, slice up into some good little sizes. Cucumbers are very, very detoxifying. They will support your system to detox itself, flush out waste toxins from your system because they are alkalizing, disease fighting, which will flush bacteria, slowing down your metabolism, diseases, and activate your system to burn fat so fast. Plus, it will cleanse your organs, your liver, leave it in good state to burn fat so fast. So that make cucumbers very healthy and so good for fat burning. So what you want to do is to add in 1 cup of water in your sliced cucumber. So that is 1 cup of water in the one cucumber. You blend so we can get some juice out of this. So you blend to get a very smooth consistency out of it, so we get the juice. Cucumbers are very, very detoxifying and very good for cleansing your system, fat burning, and I can't reiterate enough. So this is what you want to do after you blend up the cucumber. You want to squeeze out the juice from it. So this is it. This is what you do. You squeeze out, and voila, you transfer it somewhere while we work on the other ingredients to add in here. So this is our cucumber juice. The next thing you want to get is flaxseed. Flax seeds they promote weight loss like crazy. They are very good for weight loss. They contain dietary fiber, omega, all the omega 3. Like, this is so beneficial. A lot of benefits. Plus, it boosts your metabolism and help you burn fat so fast. So what you need is 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So you measure your 2 tablespoons and add in a bowl. So this is it, 2 tablespoons. The next thing you want to do is to add in half a cup of water to soak it up, so you make it smooth, so you don't so it is easy to work with and get to that consistency I really love. So this is what you want to do. Add in half a cup of water in the two. You see how it gets that beautiful before you get it into your drink, so you don't need to be stirring so hard in your bottle. So yeah, so that is it. The next thing I add in here is orange. If you don't know, oranges help you a lot with your metabolism. They soften your stool, help you flush your system from the inside. Like, if you're constipated, bloated, oranges are that solution. They help you ease your digestion. That way you easily pass out accumulated waste in your system, slowing your system and causing you gaining a lot of weight. Like, this is so, orange juice is magical. So, and it is best fresh, like you just squeeze out the juice so fresh this way. And so this is it. This is the juice from one orange. I just sieve so I don't get lumps in my drink, but I don't throw the fiber anyways. So the fiber from the cucumber and this little one you can just add together and add in your smoothies. Don't throw them. So yeah. So this is the orange juice. Set that aside. One very powerful ingredient is lemon or limes. So you can use lemon or limes, very powerful at burning fats. All these ingredients put together makes this so powerful and so fat burning, so cleansing, detoxifying, so alkalizing to optimize your system and health. And like, this is so good. So what you want to do is to slice up your one lemon, squeeze out the juice from it. So I just want to save time for having to sieve, and I just use this to squeeze out, and you get your clean lemon juice out of this. So voila, this is it. So squeeze out, and very fat burning. It has some good acids to flush bad acids, slowing down your metabolism. So now it is the time for making our fat burning drink. So you want to split the chia seed in the 2 cups. So you divide like 2 portions in the 2 different cups, like you see me doing. That is what you want to do. So, or you can do in separate, 1 tablespoon in one and the other, so it is easier for you. But this is how you go about it. And yeah, so now after you put your chia seeds, you want to as well add in the cucumber juice in the 2 cups. So you split in 2 portions, just like the chia seeds, divide in 2 equal portions. And yeah, so this is it. This is when I say this is so powerful, I mean every word of it. And very good for your health as well, very healthy. So same thing with the orange juice as well. You divide in 2 portions, put half in one. And the same thing too with the lemon juice, divide in 2 portions, and voila. So now you want to fill this up with water. So you fill it up with water, and wow, this is so good. Fill it up and you have a full 2 cups here. And this is so fat burning, so detoxifying, so cleansing, so alkalizing, good for your health, so healthy as a drink you can consume. Like, this has so many benefits I can't reiterate. Like, this is so healthy, so healthy, and will help you burn that fat so fast, cleanse you up. And so you want to drink this 1 cup in the morning and the other at bedtime. And an empty tummy in the morning, this is good to start your day with. Yeah, the last one at bedtime, last thing at bedtime. This will help you fill you up, because chia seeds are fiber. They fill you up, and you just like, this is so good. Like, when, oh, I don't know how to reiterate. And plus it's so yummy. Like, so these are the recipes I go for, and maintain a healthy body size, burn fats so I don't end up with belly fat anymore. I don't have belly fat anymore. No more chunky big belly. No more excess bad fat in my system causing diseases. And I'm always just so fit, in shape, and healthy. Not necessarily skinny, because I don't really want to be skinny, but just maintain that good, healthy body size that is just healthy, nourished. Because being so skinny too, you can tend to be malnourished. So you want to nourish up and have a beautiful body size, but without bad fats in your system and that chunky big belly. So that is my goal, and I know that is the goal everyone wants. You want to look healthy, stay healthy, but with a healthy body size, without being skinny or excessively gaining a lot of weight or too big. Yeah, so this is it. This is the recipe I wanted to share with you today. Go ahead and try it. Trust me when I say it is so yummy. You would love it. It is so yummy, 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 so refreshing. Add it in your staple for your weight loss, for your healthy drinks, for your health promotion drinks. Like, this is so healthy, I can't reiterate. So share this video with your family and friends, so we can all stay healthy, fit, burn that fat, and look good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.